Okay, here's a video of Daisy and Sinbad babies. They'll be 8 weeks old on 6/27/2014. There's 2 girls and 1 boy.
This is the boy. Me, I'm the boy. They're just having fun with toys. They're not paying me much attention at all. Hey, you. Come here.
Bringing
Hi.
you that toy.
Yes. Hello, Missy. Hello, Missy girl. You gonna give me kisses? Mm-hmm. You're right here. It wouldn't be too much trouble
I'm
at
busy
all.
with my toy, Daddy.
I'm chopped liver compared to a toy. As soon as they hit the floor, they went over and started playing with toys and just have paid me no never mind whatsoever. They're thinking they can play with me anytime in the nursery.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, these wonderful toys.
So, the difference on the coats here, the little boy, he's a white and sable. He's going to have a medium thick or a short thick coat, more medium than short. And also the little black and white girl, she'll have about the same coat. Now she's got ticking, the little spotting all through her. She's really beautiful, very different.
Not really white, more gray and black mixed in all the way through it.
Very pretty.
You bit my finger. Oh my goodness, you. Oh yes. Oh, you're going to chomp on me now. Oh my goodness.
And the blue and white girl, she will be long-haired. She's got a fluffy long coat.
She's got a little heart on her head.
Mm-hmm.
Look at my head.
Eyebrows. Pretty eyebrows.
Yeah, you. That's what I love whenever you get the double or triple color package, the eyebrows.
Mm-hmm.
Yours is
and she's
almost
got
more white than anything. Sometimes they're tan, blue.
Pretty buff color on her cheeks too. All that'll stand out really nice when she's an adult on her adult coat.
We have a mom who looks a lot like this. Her name is Pepper.
Uh-huh.
Doesn't make a good Pepper. Yes, you would. Most of these are going to be pretty good sized puppies, probably around the 8-pound class.
Very hardy. Nice family-sized Chihuahuas. You see, they're well adjusted and they just
playing.
Very relaxed and they're playing. They're not worried about anything.
They get their shots in about 4 or 5 days, get their first shot.
So they're just a little over 6 weeks old in this video. They've been weaned off their mama. They've had their dew claws done.
Had their second set of wormings. They get their first shot here in about 4 days. You're killing the Binky. The Binky makes noise.
Oh.
Yeah. Binky makes noise.
Taking it away from you.
Hey, little puppy. Come here, little puppy. Come here. Come here. Oh, you know you give me kisses. You're just so cute. Yes, you are. Oh, now you're going to give me loving now, huh? I'm not so bad after all, huh? Yes. They all got beautiful puppy breath. We got puppy breath. Yes, we do. Yeah, you give me kisses. Now everybody's giving me a kiss. Go back to playing.
They've been started on their litter boxes, so they're learning that. Not something you can stay with, or you can do outdoor potty training, or you can actually have both. You can have a litter box indoors for them and a way for them to get outside.
Who wants the duck? It's the Oregon duck. That's our colors. I feel useless in this video. Oh, he's got two.
Trying to figure out how to haul them both around. What's that? Is that a kitty toy with a bell? That's pretty fun.
Little puppies! Little puppies! There you go. Come love me. Come love me. Yeah. Come love me. We just did your nails. How are you scratching me? Huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're so clumsy. They're just clumsy.
Flopping around everywhere.
He's all just clumsy. Yeah. Get you down, give you belly rubs. What do you think of that? Huh? What do you think of that? You like belly rubs? Huh? You like the, oh, you just want love. I know you. I know you. Another one says, I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
What you doing? So these guys are really lovely. If you'd like to make an appointment and come and visit us, we're available 7 days a week from 10 o'clock in the morning till the last appointment we take is at 3. And you can make an appointment, get a full tour. There's no place on our 11 acres you can't examine on how we take care of our dogs and puppies. We're proud to share it with you. So,
Hello. Hello. Now you come get your daddy, Alice. There you come get your daddy. That tastes good over there? That's my thumb. I need it. I need my thumb. Yes, I do.
yeah. See him waving his little paw at you.
You can see a good video of the mom and dads on our, right below these guys, where it says mom and dads. It'd be Sinbad and Daisy.
Yeah. And you can meet them in person when you come here too. They're very nice.
Now they're feeling their oats.
No.
What about you? You like belly rubs? Huh? You like belly rubs?
Oh, Adele. Who dat? Who dat? That's Adele.
They all three seem to have about the same personalities.
Yep, they're pretty easy going. Middle of the road.
Regular old bees. Yeah, I'm a bee. No real alphas or any real submissive ones.
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, you're going to kill me. You think you're going to kill me. Oh, you're so cute. He's just a big galoot. Gentle giant. Got a big head. I got a big head. Yes, I do.
Who is that, Lucy? That's a baby. Be nice to the babies. Be nice to the babies. Be nice to them. Ah. Be nice to the babies.
So here they are. Come play with them.
Yep, come see them yourself. Give us a call if you're interested in any of these pups. We're happy to answer questions for you. Say bye-bye, babies. Say bye-bye.